Snooker Line-Up is one of the most popular practice exercises in snooker because it is a very good way to improve your potting, brick building skills, confidence and technique. In this video, you will learn shot selection, which cue ball height to strike at the cue ball, have better idea how to play with the correct cue ball speed, and learn potting angles. So let's get on! I start with the most difficult red because if you are a beginner, I recommend to start with this because it is the hardest shot in this break. So I playing stun shot, little screw back for the black ball, and then I will make position for those three reds. It doesn't matter. So I'm coming to the shot. Close screw shot. Yeah, right now I have a little bit too straight shot, so I need to play deep screw shot. Cue ball will bounce from the cushion, and I will make position for those three reds, and I'm gonna choose from them. Okay, guys, so I have. This second red and this red and this red. So I will choose this red and I will play stun shot for the black, and my cue ball is gonna be a little bit higher black ball spot. I played a little bit too hard. My cue ball is a little bit higher black ball spot, so still I am in the good position, so I can play for this red or red to the middle pocket. So, but I will play for this red. Little screw back shot and position for the red. Okay, so I have an option. I can play it there, here, cushion bounce for the black ball. I decided to play like that because I think it's the most easiest, and positional for the next position is the best way to play it. Okay. Here, the black ball is a little bit too straight for me. So in this case, the pink ball is the best way to play it. I will play stun shot and make position for the red to the middle pocket.
I play it perfectly. Right now, I have a straight red to the middle pocket. I'm just gonna roll in the cue ball. I'm gonna leave myself cue ball around this area and play for the pink. Good shot. This time, stand shot for the second red. Perfect shot. Here I have two options. I can play screw back shot and make position for the pink a little bit higher pink ball spot, or I can roll in. But for me, I like to do a soft screw shot, make position a little bit higher pink spot and make position for the red here. I had the kick. So sometimes in the game situations, you are out of your control, because when you have a kick, the cue ball bounces and it loses energy. So you have to deal with this, because lots of players are getting mad when they have such situations. So here, nothing special. I'm just gonna roll in the pink ball, cushion bounce from this cushion, and then leave myself here around the cue ball. Easy shot, nothing special. Still, I have a red. Corner pocket. Here I have a couple of options. I can play for the black and use one cushion, and to make sure that cue ball bounces from the cushion, I leave myself higher black. I can play for the black and using two cushions. I can leave myself for the pink, or play for the blue ball. But I will play only one cushion, bounce, and cue ball will be higher black ball spot. Okay, I play a little bit too slow. And from here, I have to play power stand shot, cushion bounce, and position for the yellow ball. Yellow ball. here color correlation starts. In this shot I need nice and smooth cueing and make position for the green ball into the corner pocket. So I have to be extremely careful and deliver cue in the straight line. Position for the green ball. So in this shot, I'm just gonna roll in green ball to the corner pocket and leave myself around this area cue ball. Nice shot. Here I will play topspin and try to leap for the blue ball is not on the spot, around higher blue ball spot. Topspin, nice and smooth cue action. The cue ball rolls in. Still, it's okay. But this time I will play one cushion bounce, a little bit side spin, right hand side, and leave myself a little bit higher ping ball spot. Okay. Not ideal, but still, it's possible. In this position, if you're a beginner, I recommend you just to play plain ball, center cue ball, and leave yourself a little bit more difficult black. So for the beginners, I will show just a pot for the ping ball, and that's it. Okay, of course, more difficult black. Of course, more difficult black. Doesn't matter. Just nice to do a nice shot approach and pot the black ball, that's it. And that's it, how you are finished. And that's it, how you are finishing the break.
If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, And if you are new, subscribe to our channel.